Okay, this is a very small Walmart haul. I cannot believe they actually had the pumpkin spice muffins in. I can't wait to try those. And then I found these Little Bites pumpkin muffins. I like the Little Bites muffins, but I've never tried the pumpkin ones. So that'll get me my pumpkin fix for a little bit. Toilet paper. Then I got some apple cider vinegar. I needed some because I like to take a bath in it too when I'm feeling really bad and crummy. It does help some. It takes all the toxins out. Plus, if your gums are bothering you or whatever, your tooth, you can take a tablespoon and swish that in your mouth, and it helps with the inflammation. I needed the omeprazole I take for my acid reflux. The Equate headache relief, which this is like the Excedrin migraine. So when I'm having like a small headache, I take that instead of my prescription. B complex that I needed. And then eye drops for my dry eyes that I've had for years. Probably over 20, almost maybe 30 years now. Gee, that was back when I was in my 30s. I'm in my 50s now. Okay. And for those that have not seen, I made that frame. I painted it black and I glued some leaves in it, and I had this little thing here that's from a cardstock that I got, and I made that. And my fairy dolls that I make, and this is the fall one that I make. Yes, I'm a crafter too. And I made this. I put a LED tea light in it. I gotta buy some more tea lights. But this is a candle holder. And I Mod Podged a napkin onto it. And then cut that pumpkin out of a napkin and glued Mod Podge to it. So yeah, that I made. And then the fairy dolls I make and sell. If anybody's interested in one, just email me.